Howdy all, I'm here with Andy and we're looking at his Cletrac. It's a 1945 AG6. Tell us about the horsepower, Andy.
So this is called an AG6, and that stands for a Model AG gasoline 6-cylinder. The earlier ones had a 4-cylinder Hercules. This has a 6-cylinder Continental. 41 horsepower, so they were comparable to a D2 Cat or a TD6 McCormick bearing. This one's 1945, and this would be called a transitional year because Oliver purchased Cletrac. You
got the belt pulley on here.
Yep, this was an ag crawler from the beginning. It never had a blade, which is probably why it's so nice. The sheet metal is normally gone on these, the sides. Same thing with the battery box. And these are a little unique also because they had controlled differential steering, meaning they did not have steering clutches and brakes. They used wet brake bands to manipulate the differential instead. So these are actually very nice to drive.
It looks very ergonomic. And I was noticing something unique about these tracks. These kind of have a browser on a browser that's replaceable. So you don't have to press out pins and replace the whole browser. You can just replace the part that wears. Kind of unique.
Yep, that's correct. And you could get different style track pads, whether it be a 3-bar pad or rubber street pads, and you just replace the pad only.
Lots of options. Smooth sounding Continental engine, and it's about how many horsepower?
They were rated at, I believe, 41 drawbar horsepower. So these got their performance more on RPMs and gearing rather than torque. Different principles to do the same job.
Nice machine. Electric start, of course. Got the lights. Got the tow hook underneath the belly pan. Definitely an ag crawler. We were just looking at the undercarriage. It's in really good shape, really, the tracks. Very interesting design. Oliver Cletrac. Foot clutch. Final drives are more parallel to the ground. It's kind of interesting. They kind of come off the backside. Yeah. Probably your fuel plugs. How the battery box is movable. Keep the battery a little cool. Continental is a very smooth sounding engine. Kind of a two-piece front idler, split in the middle. A lot heavier duty track guards will kind of double as a frame, it looks like. So that's basically Oliver Cletrac in about 2 minutes. And we want to thank Andy for his time. And thank Andy for 5T because this was the former owner of 5T, but we're going to get it going for him.